This is our revision 32 models. You can see this carol is white carols, and the machine will installation one by one. You can see boss. This is a test lump. Every machine will send to this lump for test. If no problem, and then we will pack. You can see it checking one by one. So let me go into this lump to showing you the test. You can see and this light is for this. You can see and we will continue installation and test right now. Okay. Each machine test one by one. Okay, now the machine are opening. Now the machine are testing. If you need this product, please let me know. I will offer you good price. Here, our factory directly. Of course, the price will factory price, okay? If you need this product, please let me know.